Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to perform exploitation. In the previous session we have installed Metasploitable vulnerable OS in our VirtualBox. Before you start this practical, make sure you know the IP address of your Metasploitable OS. The first thing I'm going to do is scan the IP using Nmap so we can find open ports in the machine. This is the IP of Metasploitable vulnerable OS. Today we are going to exploit SMTP protocol, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. By scanning we identified SMTP protocol as open in the OS. Before exploitation we will identify whether any vulnerabilities is available on this protocol. Now I am going to perform full open scan and version scan on this SMTP port 25. This is to identify version as having any vulnerabilities or not. For exploiting vulnerabilities we will use Metasploit Framework Console, commonly referred to as MSF Console, is the primary interface for interacting with the Metasploit framework. It provides a command line interface that allows users to perform various penetration testing tasks, such as scanning targets, exploiting vulnerabilities, evading detection. Here we are going to use MSF console for exploiting vulnerabilities related to the SMTP. To find any vulnerabilities relating SMTP, just use search command and the protocol we need. Here we can see it is listing all finding related to SMTP. From this listed SMTP exploits, 41st one is for enumerating the users. By using simple commands we can search and select options in the Metasploit. To select the 41st exploit, use the command set followed by the index number of the exploit. Here it is set 41. Now we have to see what our setup we have to make. Use the command show options to see what all values should be configured. Here it is showing the name, current settings and required. If the required is set as yes, that means should not be left blank. Here our host is set as blank. To set the our host, use the command set followed by our host. Then the victim IP address. Here the victim is Metasploitable machine. Here our objective is to find out which all users are available in this Metasploitable machine. Here by default a user file is available in the Metasploit framework. For the ease of work I have created my own word list with a limited number of users on it. We can go with the default word list in the Metasploit framework. Or you can go for creating a word list like I do. Here the important part is we have to specify the location of the word list we have created. Here I am providing the path to the word list which I have created. After setting up all the exploit values, now it is time for exploit. To start the exploit we can use the command exploit or use run command. Here we can see the Metasploit find out there is a username called msfadmin exist in this machine. If you are using a long word list which have thousands of username on it, it will take time and find all users. This is all about exploiting SMTP vulnerabilities. In next session we will discuss more about exploiting other vulnerabilities.